Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna use this old tablecloth to make a simple shopping bag for my mom. The fabric seemed to be waterproof and pretty stiff to me, so I thought it would hold up well. It also had interfacing on the back side, or well, that's what I thought what it was, but I wasn't sure. So to start, I cut out 45 by 55 centimeters rectangles. I am showing two, but I decided to make it double layered later on, so I cut out 4 of them at the end. Then I took some jean scraps that I had around and I made 2 rectangles that were 8 by 125 centimeters in size. Then I folded the rectangle a long way with right size kissing and I sewed the edge with straight stitch. I turned the tubes right size out and I put them aside. Then I took 2 of big rectangles and folded the top edge down about 1 centimeter and then again another centimeter. I did the same with other 2 rectangles. To know where to put the straps or, well, handles, I found the middle of the rectangle by folding it in half. Then from there I marked 6 centimeters to both sides and put the pins there. And I pinned the strap to the rectangle like this. I did the same for other half too. Finish, I put both halves together, right size facing, and I sewed around with the straight stitch. I cut corners off and then I kind of played and manipulated the bag a little so that I could fold a triangle like this at the bottom of the bag. I made a mark at 10 centimeters and I sewed it down. You could cut those corners off, but I decided to leave them there and instead sew them to the bottom of the bag with a very lazy blind stitch. This is what it looked like, and the bag was basically done. If you guys liked the bag, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Stay safe and responsible, and I'll see you next week. Bye!